This is the carport where I used to have my bus conversion, and I've moved my aluminum foundry down here. And so I just thought I'd show you how I've got it set up. First here is just a cabinet. I've got some flasks up on top and some aluminum scrap. And here's crucibles on top, and here's chemicals and brushes and more flasks, and then I've got some lead and brass and copper scrap down there. Some more flasks, some old patterns. That's just some tools and some brass and some more flasks in there. This is my homemade muller, and I've got a video on, several part video out there on how that's made. If you're interested in that. The actual furnace itself, and let me show you how I got that set up. I had it down on the floor and used a right angle to a square to get it pretty square, and now I'm just finishing up getting it welded together. Alright, so I got the metal box down here that we made, and I've got a couple of concrete blocks in there, and that's for the frame that supports my furnace to sit on. And so the floor here is concrete, and I can't just put that furnace on the concrete because the bottom of it gets so hot that it would ruin the concrete slab. So I've got to raise it up off of there and insulate it. And I had it on concrete before, and what I did was I had a wooden box full of sand that I put it on, and that worked just fine, except the box rotted out, so when I went to move it I just needed to replace it. So I made this metal one, and so I've got these concrete blocks in here, and so the next thing I'm going to do is just take this sand and start filling this box up. I've got a load binder up there at the top, and that's how, let me see if I can pull this back far enough so that you can actually see it all. Well, kind of. Not like that. Okay, so I just pull this load binder. I had to take this off to move it. I got to clip those back. But I just pull this load binder, and that raises my lid up enough that I can swing it out of the way. Then I can get my crucible out and then put it back. This gives me a nice way to lift it easily. Then to the right of that, I've just got some more aluminum scrap, and this is my molding bench that I made out of an old dryer. There's a video out there on how to make that too if you're interested in that. Alright, well, I just wanted to do a quick little video just to show you how I got it set up today, and be looking forward to some videos. I've got quite a bit of stuff that I got to get poured. Thank you for watching.